Line up. Queue up. You should queue up to buy the ticket. Pay for. How much did you pay for the book? Shop around. You should shop around for a better price. Sell out. But it was already sold out. Try on. Try on the shoes before you buy them. Splash out. I am going to splash out on a new car. Pick out. She picked out a pink shirt for me to try on. Pop into. I am going to pop into the store for a moment. Take off. He takes off his jacket when he gets home. Try out. I would like to try out the computer before I purchase it. Open up. I open up the store for the day at around 8:30. Take back. I took my new phone back to the store because the screen was broken. Cash up. When she had cashed up, she realized there was $100 missing from the till. Stand out. The red dress made her stand out in the crowd.